first road trip in the van.
Yes. This is our first road trip in the van.
Hi, I'm Nate. I drive like an asshole.
Yeah. Well, that's true.
Pretty good, how are you?
I got 9 things for you. Would you like your receipt at all?
No thank you.
No? I like the card.
Oh, thank you. That one's fine. It's like gay fireworks. I love it.
The people at this coffee shop are always super nice, just so everybody knows.
Yeah, if you're ever in Portland, I don't know if there are other places too, but go to the Human Bean because they consistently make the coffee awesome. They're all really super friendly. They have vegan cookies that are so fucking good. And they give you a little chocolate covered coffee bean every time you get something here. I doubt it. So. So babe.
Finishing that building too, look what they did with it.
Wow.
Yeah, isn't that fucking neat?
It looks dangerous.
It looks
Where are
like,
the walls?
It looks like you probably shouldn't throw stones.
Because, okay, what happened was that she was smoking weed in the audience, which Bone Thugs was smoking so much weed on stage, and there was just like little puffs of smoke coming from everywhere in the audience. And so he was like kicking people out one by one who were smoking, and he got to this one lady, and she was like, "No, I'm not leaving. You're gonna have to kick out every single other person first, and then come and physically make me leave." And he just kind of gave up on it. That's the slow off valve. I'm sure he wanted to show you.
Oh, we're trying something too. New road trip trick. We put cans of soup in the engine bay. We're gonna see if it makes nice warm soup.
And if not, then we're gonna have 4 scorched cans with cold soup, or
I'll still
I
use
hope
them.
they don't explode or anything. What a handsome boy. What a handsome little boy he is. Oh, he's so handsome. Look, he's so handsome. You're so cute.
Well, I fell in love with cruise control after our moving experience.
Yeah, tell him what you had to do, Nate.
I had to drive for almost, it was like 30 hours in a U-Haul truck that I definitely overloaded.
Yeah, it was like 22 feet long also. It was one of the really big ones.
I put a whole car in there.
Most of this video is just gonna be Kevin being cute.
I looked through my pictures. I probably have like 3,000 pictures and probably about 2,500 of them are Kevin.
Amateur.
Top golf.
Yeah. He's obsessed with Top Golf because we haven't gone yet.
Nobody will go with me. Why won't anybody come get drunk with me and eat bar food and smack fucking golf balls?
I'll do it. I'll do it with you. Just for like the bar food and the drinking and stuff.
I
And
need
I don't know,
somebody to
maybe
be
it'll be
competitive
fun.
with me though.
You know that I will be competitive with you, but I'm just not gonna be good at it.
Yeah, I'm just gonna fucking kick your ass all the time.
Hey, probably.
It's an onion competition.
That's so cute. So fucking country.
I'm a little bit country. I'm a little bit rock and roll. I'm a little for sporting our dreams. I'm a little for bringing them home.
I shouldn't have encouraged him. That was my fault. You can't point a camera at him when he's on one or he won't stop.
It's funny when you start driving through these forests and shit in Oregon because you'll just randomly start finding like dispensaries and pet shops just
Yeah.
kind of sprinkled in the forest.
Just like in the middle of nowhere, there'll just be a dispensary. about me too? I fucking love Breaking Benjamin.
I don't hate them.
They're just like dad butt rock.
Yeah, I know.
I love them though, I really do. Corn
Corn
is
is kinda
almost
dad
dad
rock,
butt
too.
rock too. Fiat. Fiat.
That was terrible.
Fiat.
You have like the worst camera skills in the world.
No, I got it.
You like zoomed in and then like shook past it.
Stop, it's really hard. Listen here. Fucking listen. I have really bad camera skills, okay? I put it in a stationary spot and then I be cute around it. That's been my process.
Terrible.
That's not how he even says it.
How does he say?
Woof. Woof, baby. Woof. It's a dog. Look, it's a dog. It's a dog. He's just aw. That's cute.
He was on his owner's app.
Oh, he likes that. Big yawn. Big yawn, little mouse. Nate is trying to assert his dominance with the vehicle right next to us, so he's racing even though no one fucking tried to race him.
He started getting on it.
Okay.
Well, you can see the bridge.
Big longy?
Uh-huh.
Let's call it that.
Still
I
have
think-
no idea.
Shh, listen then. Keep listening. They follow that guy into that like basement secret hideaway Christmas rave that's going decorated and a bunch of people stolen Christmas ornaments and stuff, and she calls the cops and then like almost ruins the party, but then Bob dresses up as whoever it is and he runs outside and the cops like tackle him.
Nope.
Yes, you do. God damn it. We finally got a passing lane to go around the last slow ass semi, and then it closed, and now we're stuck behind another slow ass semi.
Here we go.
Hey, you're such a redneck. Every time we're driving and you do anything even remotely fast, you always go woo. So we went up to the counter and asked the lady, like, hey, are there any hotels around here? And she was like showing us this big binder full of hotels, and they were all like $400 a night. I was like, holy shit, how does anybody pay that? She was like, did you really come to Silicon Valley and expect that you were going to be able to afford a hotel same day? Yeah, they're all gonna be this expensive. Like, we're from Wyoming, we didn't know that, and you don't have to be such a crusty bitch about it.
I don't know what Silicon Valley is.
Yeah.
Fucking dumb bitch.
And for the record, I'm pretty sure it's pronounced silicone. Last time we went to the beach, Nate let Kevin off of his leash so that he could run around, and I was like, you better not do that. He's gonna fucking sprint away from you. And he was like, he's fine. He's got so much space to run around, it's gonna be fine. And so he started like taking off in one direction, and then Nate was like, oh my god, Kevin, come back here. And so he came back and sprinted past Nate, and then he did it again and sprinted past Nate, and then the last time Nate like ground himself down and was waiting, and Kevin went to sprint by him, and he just dove onto his leash so that Kevin couldn't keep sprinting away. It was so fucking cute. Alright, we are supposedly like 2 minutes away from the Goonies house, or 1 minute now. Chino's Pizza and Burgers.
Oh, what are you talking about?
Wow, we both have really bad Italian accents. Okay, walking up to the Goonie house. Because you can't drive up to it, apparently.
We had to throw on braces.
Because we don't know how to walk. Will you hold this, though? I'll go grab the bags. Don't zero in on a shit. Just make it fucking move.
Oh yeah. There's a dog. Goonies house.
This is really cool. There she is, boys. Mud ASMR. Squelch, squelch, squelch. This is so cool. Why didn't we stop here the last time? We just heard it was here and we were like, oh, that's cool, and then we just kept going.
Goonies weren't that big of a deal to me.
What? That's Nate's van, everybody. Action shot. Whoopah! Oh, I missed it. Whoopah! There we go.
Your camera handling.
I'm trying my best, Nathan. You're such a dick.
There's a money launderer.
Yeah, by the way, everybody, Mattress Firm is not real.
There's a place in Portland where there's 3 of them in the same parking lot.
Yeah, people don't fucking buy mattresses frequently enough for there to be as many mattress firms in the world as there are. No, it's not real. Mattress Firm is not real. It's a government cover-up. Allie would laugh until Nate says her mom. Oh my god, gross. Shut up. Don't ever talk about my mom. Ever. Ugh. Holy shit.
That was a lot of elk.
That was a lot of elk right on a fucking
Flipping a bit.
street corner.
Their antlers are just starting to come in.
That's so cool. There's like a bunch of them. Oh my god. Whoa, I didn't see all of those ones.
Uh-huh.
Holy fuck. They're also right next to the road too. This is so cool. What are you doing, buddy? Kevin's growling at him. Yes, Nate, grabbing gears. Alright. How many times am I gonna have to tell you fucking people to stop encouraging him?
You guys want to watch me eat a donut?
Stop. They can probably hear you chewing behind the camera too.
Mm.
If anyone asks about your van, claim you're looking for the reception. The what? Oh,
Reception desk.
no. No, you're wrong. You're just
All right.
wrong about that. Life is hard.
It'd be much better when it's summertime.
Yeah. It's still cool though.
We won't have Dally constantly being like, it's cold, like 80 times.
We won't have Nate being a bitch all the time. Oh, wait a second. Probably. We're gonna unface cam. So
Right.
look at the beach. Wow, look at that. It's so cool. There's a dog. Look, Kevin, that's a dog. Look at that dog.
Wait.
Excuse me? Excuse me, who are you? I would like to see you come out here and try and do it. You Welsh bitch. It's fucking so cool. Look at what my hair's doing. Just pretending and making it worse. Look how bad the wind is blowing. Because I didn't realize that you had to do it with your phone sideways on
Do that
Streamlabs.
World Star filter where it like purposely like shakes on the screen so it looks like some crazy shit's happening.
I don't want that.
World Star!
I don't want that.
World Star!
I don't want that. Thank you.
World-
Thank you.
Fantastic for you.
Idiot. Zoomed in on your butt.
Lunch time.
I sub for quality content, not make a fucking donut sandwich. I'm not going to, alright? I don't ever listen to the things he says. We're actually both on the run. This is like an episode of Cops, shaky and distorted, but extremely entertaining. Warmish soup. This is really not warm anymore at all.
I didn't forget the bread.
No one knows how to masturbate you like yourself.
Who knows which direction I took my balls.
Hold on. Not only do you tug your balls, but you have a specific direction that you tug them in.
Yeah, but only I know.
Well, you can tell me.
It's like a question mark kick, except for like has to go north and south.
it has to go north and south regardless of which way your body is facing?
Yeah, obviously we have built-in magnets in us. We live on a giant magnet.
What the fuck are you talking about? Is that how you're supposed to do it?
Yeah, but with my balls.
Yeah,
North
that's
and
what I'm saying. And then north to south, I don't. Where's the sun? Looking.
For anything.
Are you fucking
Don't
kidding
hit
me?
me.
I'm not gonna hit
Stop
you.
hitting me.
I don't get it. Bye, guys. Bye, says Nate also. I'll be back on soon. I'll post in Discord when I'm going on next, okay? Bye.
Alright, we're gonna go find a rabbit. I saw a rabbit when I went peeing. Look at him. He's handsome. You can't see him in the shadow. Hey fella. Hi. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and leave you alone. I just wanted people to see. Oh. Well, hello. Hey, fella. Hi. Hi. How are you? You are very handsome. I'm gonna go ahead and leave you alone though, because you're a wild animal. Alright, bye. Kevin, what do you think of the ocean? I don't know why you guys have to bring me on these bullshit adventures.
I can't get the hair out of my mouth because I'm walking.
Here. Very, very beautiful. Do it one more time. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Show how crazy that wind is. Okay, Google. Okay, Google. Hey, how's it going, bro?
It's a good day.
Okay, Google.
Oh, white response.
Can you give